Introducing the negative form. So this one will be also very quick. We will talk more in details in class. So this is the negative form. The general rule is that you add the endings of the negative form to the verb on the order from I to they. That means the ending for the verb when you use it with I in the negative is uma for you, or, and then ul, unu, ulen, unu. Uma, or, ul, unu, ulen, unu. If you remember the independent subject pronouns, so those are what you use with the verb, and these are the endings for the negative. Now if the verb ends with a vowel, you just put W before these endings. You just put W before these endings, and you will see with the examples. Now here you have the subject pronouns and the ending, again more in details. Man, if you have a structure with man, which is I, in the negative form, the verb will be followed by the ending uma. Yow, or, mom, ul, nun, unu, yen, ulen, ñoom, uñu. Again, uma, or, ul, unu, ulen, uñu. Uma, or, ul, unu, ulen, uñu. Now with examples. Man dëkkuma Chicago. Man dëkkuma Chicago. I do not live in Chicago. So you see that the verb is dëkk. The ending, because it's man, is uma. I don't live in Chicago. Man dëkkuma Chicago. Yow tuddoo Paul. Tudd means to be named. Yow tuddoo Paul. Your name is not Paul. Moom amul xaalis bu bari. Moom amul xaalis bu bari. He does not have a lot of money, or she does not have a lot of money. The verb is to have, so using it with mom, the ending is ul, so amul xaalis. Xaalis means money, bu bari a lot. Moom amul xaalis bu bari. Nun xamunu more. We do not know more. We do not know more. So you can guess what the verb is, and that is xam, to know. Yéen jànguleen espagnol. Yéen jànguleen espagnol. Jàng, to learn, to study. Jànguleen espagnol, you don't study Spanish. Ñoom nekkuñu ci Urbana. Nekk, the verb nekk means to be. So they are not in Urbana. Ñoom nekkuñu Urbana. Again, here are the endings. Uma, or, ul, unu, ulen, uñu. Now if you have a verb ending with a vowel, you just put W before the regular ending. So if the verb ends with a vowel, instead of writing uma, you put wuma. This is just a general rule you might find in a lot of languages, putting a consonant to facilitate the pronunciation with another vowel. Wuma, wo, wul, wunu, wulen, wuñu. For example, man jógewuma Indianapolis. I am not from Indianapolis. Jóge is the verb. Wuma is the ending of the negative. Man jógewuma Indianapolis. Again, very quickly. Uma, or, ul, unu, ulen, uñu. Now here are two examples you can take and maybe try. So the first example is LEKK cere. to eat couscous. And you already have the subject pronouns, and you can take this as a way to practice. So in the negative form, what would you have? For example, here we could have something like man dëkkuma Senegal. I don't live in Senegal. That's an example. And that is with a verb ending with a consonant. Now another example you can use also ending with a vowel is jóge Dallas, to be from Dallas. So again, to summarize very quickly, the ending of the negative are uma for I, or for you, ul for he or she it, unu for we, ulen for you all, unyu for they. And again, if you have a verb ending with a vowel, instead of just using uma or ul, you put w before that regular ending. Alright, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it.